let's talk about how to create a SiteLink extension. They are basically just links to other areas of the website that you can display underneath your ad. Here are some examples. I always search for B2B advertising agency because A, I like to see who shows up. B, marketers are usually really good at making ads. And C, I know somebody is bidding on that keyword. So here's some examples of different site links, right? So when you launch a campaign, it's really important that you launch with site links. And if you choose the right ones, it can really enhance your campaigns. So what I did prior to this call is I made a couple screenshots for a new client of ours. I already went through their site and identified a few. So first thing, you want to grab the calls to action. Those two, About Us and Contact Us. About Us, it typically performs better than you think. The call to action, so schedule a demo, and then Contact Us as well. Actually, for them, Contact Us, I think, might have more of a customer support focus. If that's the case, no, it's pretty standard. I'll think about this one. Let's make a site link regardless, but we may not end up using it. So first one, always want to have your call to actions and an About Us page. Second, for this client, they have a solutions section that's broken out by different types of departments: marketing, sales, knowledge management, financial services, consulting. Yeah, and it doesn't look like the features and the solutions buttons are clickable, so we don't have to include those. But yeah, so we'll make copies for each of those. For these sort of like solutions based site links, I find it's useful to say something like, if you can fit it, the site link headline text, I think they call it link text. This field is very short. It's only 25 characters. If you can fit it in there, you can say something like solutions for marketing, solutions for sales. If not, just put exactly the text: marketing, sales, knowledge management. You could also do for marketing, for sales, for knowledge management. Just like when you're making that text, think about how it would look here. Financial services consulting, that's the same thing. Solutions for financial services. You can shorten it to finance if you need to save space. Solutions for consulting, etc. Then the last ones would be pricing. And in this case, they've got a features section. So for each different feature, we'll include a site link, right? Now let's go into the actual copy document and start creating a couple of these. I've done a lot of work on ad copy here, clearly. Yeah, so let's first check here, see if there's anything here that we can use. I don't see anything, but have a quick look. Do you see if there's anything blog related that we could add? Ooh, I kind of like these. Yeah. So first things first, you need to go through and find the URLs for all of these pages. All of the pages that we discussed, you'll take them and add them to this document. And then for each site link, you'll give it a headline text. Let's use like the demo page as a example. So you want it to be really clear about what it is. So if the button text is scheduled demo, we'll use that as the site link. And then just use the copy from the page to make the copy into the site links, right? Schedule a demo, title case for the first one, lowercase for the rest, and then the description lines have to be 35 characters each. Tired of hunting down. Okay, can't really do that, so that's fine. Tired of hunting down slides. Schedule a demo with whatever. Honestly, it can be as simple as that. Schedule a demo today. Okay, so pretty straightforward. That's how you make site link extensions. One other note, make sure you use the landing page as a site link too if you're using dedicated landing pages. For instance, we have a dedicated landing page for PowerPoint slide management. Make sure we use that to create site links instead of the page on the website, because the landing page is conversion optimized. Yeah, so just make sure you use the landing page. Yeah, cool. Okay.